Does commercial vehicle insurance cover loss of income from downtime? Imagine your business relies heavily on a fleet of trucks or specialty vehicles, and suddenly one gets damaged in an accident or needs repairs. You might wonder if your insurance can help cover the income you lose during that downtime. Well, let's explore what commercial vehicle insurance typically covers and what it doesn't. Standard policies mainly focus on protecting the vehicle itself and liability for damages caused to others. They usually cover collision and comprehensive damage, but not the income you miss when your vehicle can't operate. If your business depends on your vehicles to generate revenue, this gap can be costly. That's where optional coverages come into play. Many policies offer add-ons like rental reimbursement with downtime coverage. This helps pay for a rental vehicle while your truck or specialty vehicle is being repaired. For example, if you own a refrigerated truck and it's in the shop for repairs after an accident, this coverage can pay for a replacement truck for up to 30 days, helping you keep your deliveries on schedule. Some policies also provide downtime loss coverage, which pays a set amount per day if you can't operate your vehicle, and renting a replacement isn't an option. This is especially useful for specialty vehicles that are hard to replace quickly. If another driver causes the accident, you might be able to file a claim against their insurance for loss of use, but this requires proof of fault and documentation of your income loss. Keep in mind, these coverages have limits, such as maximum payout amounts and waiting periods before payments start. For instance, there could be a 7-day waiting period before you receive any funds. To successfully claim loss of income, you'll need detailed records of your earnings, contracts, and expenses to show how much income you lost during the downtime. It's important to understand that basic commercial vehicle insurance does not automatically include income loss coverage. To protect your business fully, you should consider adding these specific endorsements or separate policies designed for income protection. This is especially vital if you operate specialty vehicles or have a fleet that's critical to your daily revenue. So, while your standard policy mainly covers the vehicle and liability, there are tailored options that can help you recover income during repair periods. Knowing these options can help you stay financially stable, even when your vehicles are temporarily out of service.